Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create delicious, creamy ice cream right in your own kitchen without any fancy gadgets. We'll focus on a no churn method that delivers fantastic results every time. Get ready to enjoy a sweet treat with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Let's get started. First, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are well chilled. This helps the cream whip up faster and more effectively. Pour 2 cups of cold, heavy cream into the bowl, along with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Begin whipping the mixture on medium-high speed. Continue until the cream thickens and holds soft peaks, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overwhip. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite flavors. Gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or get creative with chocolate chips, fruit purees, or cookie crumbles. Once your flavorings are incorporated, carefully spoon the mixture into a freezer-safe container, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Cover the container tightly and place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's completely firm. After patiently waiting, your homemade ice cream is ready. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Dish out generous portions into bowls or cones, and don't forget to add your favorite toppings like sprinkles, hot fudge, or fresh berries. For other great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, find the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.